And now I will be sharing 5 tips that you need to keep in mind to get best result from your exfoliators. The first tip is that use only one kind of exfoliator at a time, and make sure that your overall exfoliation in a week is not more than 2-3 times. And if you are a beginner or have very sensitive skin, use exfoliator only one time per week, and as your skin respond to the exfoliator, you can increase the frequency after 2-3 weeks. And the second tip is use exfoliator only at night. The third tip will be the night you are using exfoliator, make sure that you are using a good hydrating toner in your routine, like the toner that contains hyaluronic acid or propolis. And you can also use a centella based serum or cream, and also you can sheet mask on night you have done the exfoliation, so that it counteracts and maintains the hydration level in your skin. And finally you can also use some really good moisturizing and nourishing sleeping mask. So say you are using Bivistrin Mentalic acid in your skincare routine, then your routine should something look like this. Like first you need to use the oil cleanser, then use a foaming cleanser, use Bivistrin Mentalic acid, use a hydrating toner, centella based serum, eye cream, sheet mask, moisturizer, and finally use a sleeping mask. And if you want to pick a product for your skin type, I have reviewed various products in this video over here. Like you can check out this video, and I have reviewed every product for different skin type, and I have talked in detail about the respective topics. And the fourth tip is make sure you are using a sunscreen in your daytime skincare routine. Like a sunscreen is a must. Without sunscreen you will end up damaging your skin. Fifth and the final tip would be do not wear makeup right after exfoliation, because it can badly irritate and damage your skin. And like we all know that a freshly exfoliated skin is the best canvas for the smooth and flawless foundation. But if you need to exfoliate for your good foundation finish, you can exfoliate a day before or a previous night. And now I will answer all the questions that you people asked me on Instagram story. And the first question is how occasionally should oily skin / acne skin exfoliate, and how? Start using an acid exfoliator. Use it, like initially use it one time per week and slowly build it up to 3 times per week. And if you are a beginner, use the Bivistrin Mentalic acid, and otherwise you can use the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Like whatever you wanna pick, you can pick, but make sure you're not using more than one exfoliator at a time. And the next question is has a dry skin, I avoid BHA, but is it safe to use on acne spot or on nose for blackheads? Like unless you have sensitive skin, or if your skin is reactive to BHA, you should avoid it. Otherwise you can use BHA product 1 time or 2 times per week on your T-zone or on spot where you get acne, but make sure you're not overdoing it. The next question is oily skin with few blackheads and whiteheads, major concern is pores, can you suggest a scrub? Instead of conventional scrub, use the chemical exfoliator, and you can use the Bivistrin Mentalic acid 5%. And if you are a beginner, start with 1 time per week frequency, and slowly you can build it up to 3 times per week. And in 2-3 months of time, you will notice that you will have less blackheads and less whiteheads, and overall your skin will look healthy. And the next question is my skin feels very congested, will chemical exfoliation work? The chemical exfoliation will work amazingly on your skin. I guess your skin gets congested very easily, and you might be dealing with lot of greasiness. So what you can do is, like for the beginning purpose, you can use the Cosrx Original Clear Pad, and you can also use these exfoliating pad on a daily basis. And I guess in 2 months of time you will start noticing that your skin is less congested. And accordingly, like how your skin responds to this product, you can slowly build up your acid exfoliation routine by checking out more products in the part 1 of this video. And the next question is with serum ingredients to look for hydration post exfoliation. You can use the hyaluronic acid based toner, or you can also use the propolis based toner. My favorite one are the Rovectin hyaluronic acid lotion, Hada Labo premium lotion, and the Cosrx propolis synergy toner. Like, you can get anything from these three. Like, if you have combo oily skin, get the propolis one, and if you have normal dry to very dry skin, you can get anything from these two. And the next question is ingredients for calming the skin post exfoliation. You can use the Centella based product. You can also go for the serum that contains panthenol or allantoin. So these are the ingredients you should be looking for. And the next question is exfoliation or exfoliators for face, underarms, elbow and knees. Same or different? I personally have not used a dedicated exfoliator for my body. I just use, like, whatever I use on my face, I safely use it on my body. But don't use your body exfoliator for your face, because in general body exfoliators are a bit harsh and they are not that safe for the face. The next question is Cosrx BHA can be used daily. Already used BHA serum. Firstly, Cosrx has way many BHA based product. I don't know which one you are referring to, but I guess since Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid is the most common one, I will just take this. And this is something you are not supposed to use daily. Since you have already used BHA serum, you can use it 2-3 times per week at night, and it should do the work for you. So in the end, all I want to say is you really don't need every other exfoliator in the market. Just get 1 or 2 depending on your skin concern, and that should be sufficient. Like, I started using exfoliator back in 2017, and my first acid exfoliator was the Bivistrin Mandelic acid, and it is something which I still love and recommend it to people. But if I have to pick just one, like one personal favorite, it will be Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos, and I love it because I can use it as a spot treatment, dilute it in my moisturizer and then use it, and overall it's a really good product. So that's all for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.